Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be talking about rice water and how good it is for your hair. So going a little back to the history guys, rice water has been used by Yao Women since time immortal, and they have longest and strongest hair in the world. Also they hold Guinness Book of World Record for that. And there are two type of rice water. One is plain rice water, which is very easy to make. We are not going to be talking about that. We are going to be talking about fermented rice water. So I am going to be telling you everything about it, the recipe, how to make it, how to use it, and everything. So there are two major difference why fermented rice water is good for your skin. The first one is it helps in maintaining the pH of your hair, which plain rice water cannot. So that's a great thing. Also it has additional element formed in it, which is called as pitera, which has additional amino acid, minerals and vitamins, which are great for your hair and for your scalp. So there are some major benefits which I'm going to list here of using fermented rice water on your hair. Is it helps in giving you very healthy hair. It helps in removing the dandruff. If you use it in place of conditioner as the hair rinse after shampoo, it is going to provide that bouncy and shiny hair. And there are going to be so many benefits. I cannot even recall them, so I'm going to list them right here. And we are quickly going to be starting with the video, and let's just dive into the video now. So guys, this is 7th day and my rice water is ready, and I'm gonna shake it a little bit so that it can get all mixed up very quickly. And now I am gonna shampoo my hair first, because I know I won't be able to see the results. My scalp is gonna be super greasy right now. So after shampooing my hair, I'm gonna keep this in my hair for 15 minutes, and after that I'll rinse my hair off and not blow dry them. I'm gonna air dry them, and I'll share you my results in the end. So I'm gonna shake it a little. People say that usually it smells so bad, but mine is smelling really good because of the orange peels I have added in this thing. And so guys, I am done rinsing my hair with the rice water. I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes, not beyond that, and then I'm gonna rinse it off using lukewarm water, and let's see how it turns out to be. So guys, these were the results after 5 hours. Even I air dried them and they looked super silky, smooth and straight. I was so happy with the results. I loved it. If you try it out, do tag me and let me know in the comments down below if you have any queries. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye bye, take care.